Enjoy the chill moment with friends only costs you $20, even including breakfast. Hi, I'm TriPapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips for making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Hi Jakarta, another very good morning. Before we start, let me tell you why I'm here. I was experiencing the famous Turkish Airlines business class lounge in Istanbul. Had a free suite for a good rest. Enjoyed spacious seat on 777-300ER with fine dining over the air. Nevertheless, one of my luggage didn't come while landing Jakarta. If you are interested about these stories, please find the link below. Today we stay in Sans Hotel Puri Indah, Jakarta. This is one of the budget hotel chain. It's only 30 minutes drive from the airport and also walking distance from Puri Indah Mall. There's a cafe at the ground floor, supply the breakfast. From the colors you can see the design is for young people. The facilities are in second floor and there's a rooftop bar as well. Let's take a look. There's a dining area, you can take orders downstairs. In the chill area, got some chairs for relax. There's a meeting room for some business and also table soccer for fun. Today we stay at 6th floor. We will unbox 2 types of rooms for you. First we have suite room tour. It's massive. Fridge and working table in place. The toilet and shower in one place. Tap and sink are outside with standard amenities, which is good enough for 2 people. Unfortunately, there's no night view here. The main bedroom looks quite comfortable with a TV and dedicated aircon. There's another AC near the entrance and very big wardrobe. Guess what? This room only costs $30. Second, let's unbox the premier type of the room, which is the most basic one. Unlike suite, in the standard room got everything inside one space. It's okay. The open wardrobe is also very big. Safe, slippers, fridge, composite water. That's all. Let's see if there's some view or not. Nope, at night. We'll check again later in the morning. Hope you like the room tour. This room only costs you $20 per night. Good morning, Jakarta. The room is actually facing the residential area. On the 6th floor, there's a social space, and outside is a smoking area. The breakfast delivered to the room. Nasi goreng special. Very good. Well, nothing to complain, because this is what I pay for. Still, this place is very comfortable to stay if you don't care the details. After the visit to Jakarta, I've taken China Airline A350-900 in business class to Taipei. Check the link below to find out more. See you in my next video.